Hey guys, how you doing? I'm sure a lot of you guys know what Bitmoji is. You've already been using them for years, but do you use them in your classroom? Now, I know a lot of us use stamps, stickers to show your students, hey, you did a great job on your work. I appreciate it. But now you could think about it, do it digitally. So, of course, we talked about in our other video, you could do things on your Google Classroom header with your Bitmoji. If you want to know that, watch the other video or read the blog post. Now, just think about you could do it for student work. Now, you have to get your mind straight and think about this one. A Bitmoji is an image, so you can only use it where images go, but a regular emoji is a text, so you could use it wherever text goes. So if you didn't watch my emoji video, you could watch that one. So again, real quick, you could go somewhere like Emojipedia, you could copy any of their emojis, and then you could paste those into your Google Classroom like, hey, happy face, you did a great job, but you cannot put a picture here, so you could not put a Bitmoji there. Same as with their classwork comment box, you could put an emoji, but not a Bitmoji. So then think, where could I put a Bitmoji? Well, think about if they do some work, then check it out. Let's say they do a project, they do a great job. You could slap it right here on the front of their slide. But what I suggest is just go ahead, make a new slide. You could put all your comments in here and everything. So you could write everything down. You could write what they got, A+. You could give them some feedback. Great job using your sources. Then you could go ahead and throw a Bitmoji on there. Now let's time out and say, where would you do that from? Well, you just simply need to download the extension. So Chrome Web Store, I'll put the link in there for you. Bitmoji, you put your extension on there. So now your extension is right up here. All you simply have to do is sign into that same Bitmoji account like the one on your phone, and double timeout. If you're using your phone and you're using Google Classroom on your phone, that's super easy. You could just do it all right there. But if you're on your computer, now we have a way to do it on the computer. So just think about all the different options you have. What I do in my class is every test has a different Bitmoji. So kids get excited, and by the end of the year, they're like, I got 50 Mr. Growth and Bitmojis. Or you could do them other ways. You could say, this Bitmoji is an improvement one. This one's you did 100%, got a great job. So then, kids could start realizing immediately what their picture means. But just think it through, have fun with it. But look, I see an A+ right here. Watch, all I simply have to do is just drag it down. It creates an image, because remember, it's a picture file. And then you could drag that, you could put it anywhere, and you're done. Sometimes you might need to download that image if you need to on your computer, or you could simply copy as well. Now think about this, where else could you use it? You could use it in any of your documents right here. So I'm in some slides, you could use it in Google Docs, you could use it anywhere that you could throw a picture right in there for you, and it'll work. But also think, hey, you could use it somewhere like in your email. So same thing, how do you do that? Well, you can't simply drag into everything, so try it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But look, same thing, I just click on my Bitmoji, and then sometimes I have to right click and just copy image. So then when I copy my image, then I'll just go ahead and paste. And I'm just in Outlook right now, the regular web version of Outlook, and it works in there. If it's too big for you, you could scale it down and you could put those in your email. But if you're saying, hey, wait, I use Gmail, well, Gmail has you covered too, because if you downloaded that extension for Bitmoji, then what Gmail does is it automatically puts it right here, check it out, in your Gmail, which is super easy. You just have it, you click on it, it's already there, it's already tiny for you, but again, you can make it bigger if you want. So if you notice, a lot of places you could use it. Now you could personalize things, you could have fun with it, kids will get excited, and you get to use your teacher creativity. All right guys, see you later, have a good night.